Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Are you looking for the perfect bread maker to enjoy freshly baked loaves at home? You've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing the best bread makers of 2023, featuring top models known for their ease of use, reliability, and incredible results. With these bread makers, you'll be able to create a wide range of breads, from classic white and whole wheat to artisanal sourdough and gluten-free options. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner eager to try your hand at bread making, we've got you covered. Number 5. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. Introducing the Cuisinart CBK 110P1 Bread Maker, an exceptional bread making machine that is destined to be your go-to choice for fresh, homemade bread. As one of the best bread makers on the market in 2023, this compact and automatic appliance is designed to create up to 2-pound loaves, making it suitable for families of all sizes. With customizable settings, you can craft the perfect bread to your specific taste, from crust color to loaf size. Whether you're a fan of classic white bread, hearty whole grain, or gluten-free options, this machine has you covered. The easy-to-read LCD screen and intuitive controls make it a breeze for both beginners and experienced bakers to use. Its sleek silver and black design will fit effortlessly into any kitchen decor. If you're on the hunt for a reliable and efficient bread maker, look no further than the Cuisinart CBK 110P1. Experience the joy of baking fresh bread at home with this top-rated appliance. Number 4. Zojirushi BBPDC20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. The Zojirushi BBPDC20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enjoy the pleasure of homemade bread. As one of the best bread makers of 2023, this stainless steel and black bread maker is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen. Capable of producing a generous 2-pound loaf of bread, the Virtuoso Plus is perfect for families or anyone who loves to share their freshly baked creations. With multiple pre-programmed settings and the ability to customize your bread's crust and texture, this machine can cater to all your bread-making needs, whether it's a classic loaf, gluten-free bread, or even artisan dough. The dual kneading blades ensure thorough mixing and kneading, resulting in a superior rise in texture. It also features a rapid setting that allows you to bake a loaf of bread in less than 2.5 hours, perfect for when you need bread in a hurry. The large viewing window lets you monitor the baking process, and the 13-hour delay timer lets you wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread. If you're seeking the best bread maker for creating a variety of breads with ease, the Zojirushi BBPDC20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker is an excellent choice. Number 3. Breadman 2 pounds Professional Bread Maker. The Breadman BK 1050S Professional Bread Maker is a fantastic choice for those who love baking bread at home. This stainless steel machine is capable of producing a 2-pound loaf, perfect for large families or gatherings. As one of the best bread makers for 2023, it offers a wide range of features and settings to create various types of bread, including gluten-free and low-carb options. The 14 pre-programmed bake settings and 3 crust color choices let you customize your bread to suit your preferences. The machine's collapsible kneading paddle ensures thorough mixing without leaving a hole in the bottom of the loaf. The 15-hour delay timer allows you to set the machine the night before and wake up to the aroma of freshly baked bread. A convenient fruit and nut dispenser automatically adds extras at the right time, enhancing the flavor and texture of your bread. The clear viewing window allows you to keep an eye on the baking process, and the easy-to-read digital display ensures that you have full control over the baking process. The non-stick baking pan makes it easy to remove the loaf once it's done, and the included measuring cup and spoon help you get the perfect measurements every time. The Breadman BK 1050S Professional Bread Maker offers a combination of convenience and versatility, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Zojirushi BDHAC10 Home Bakery 1-pound Loaf Programmable Mini Bread Maker. The Zojirushi BBHAC10 Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is a compact and convenient machine that's perfect for smaller households or those who enjoy fresh, homemade bread in smaller portions. This machine, which can produce a 1-pound loaf, is known for its reliability and ease of use, making it one of the best bread makers for 2023. This bread maker features a user-friendly LCD control panel with a range of settings for different types of bread, including basic French dough and even cake and jam settings. It also offers a quick baking cycle that can produce a loaf in under 2 hours. The 13-hour delay timer allows you to prepare your ingredients in advance and have a fresh loaf waiting for you when you wake up or come home from work. The Zojirushi BBHAC10 also includes a non-stick baking pan and kneading blade, making it easy to clean up after baking. It comes with an instruction manual and a recipe booklet to help you get started, offering a variety of options for different types of bread and pastries. The compact design of this bread maker makes it ideal for small kitchens or those with limited counter space. The Zojirushi brand is known for its high-quality kitchen appliances, and the BBHAC10 Home Bakery Mini Bread Maker is no exception. Whether you're new to bread baking or a seasoned pro, this machine offers a convenient way to enjoy fresh, homemade bread without the hassle of kneading or waiting for hours for the dough to rise. Number 1. KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine. The KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine is a versatile and efficient bread maker that offers a wide range of features, making it one of the best bread makers for 2023. Its all-stainless steel construction gives it a sleek and modern appearance, while its 2 lb capacity allows you to bake a large loaf of bread, perfect for families or hosting guests. One of the standout features of this bread machine is its auto fruit and nut dispenser. This convenient feature automatically adds fruits and nuts at the appropriate time during the baking process, ensuring that they are evenly distributed throughout the loaf. This is particularly useful when making bread with ingredients that can easily sink to the bottom or become overmixed if added too early. Overall, the KBS Large 17-in-1 Bread Machine offers a great combination of features and performance. Its versatility, ease of use, and high-quality construction make it a top choice for anyone looking to enjoy freshly baked bread at home.